HP printer and scanner support. Fixing wireless connection problem in HP Photosmart 6520 printer. Step 1. Press the power button on the printer to turn it off. Step 2. Disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer. Step 3. Disconnect the power cord from the wireless router. Step 4. Turn off the computer. Step 5. Wait 30 seconds. Step 6. Reconnect the power cord to the wireless router. Step 7. Wait 30 seconds, or until the router is fully on and ready. Step 8. Turn the computer back on. Step 9. Wait for the computer to reload. Step 10. Reconnect the power cord to the rear of the printer. Step 11. Turn the printer back on. Call now to troubleshoot printer and scanner issues. Global phone support. 1-800-857-2133. HP printer and scanner support.